Experiencing headphone jack problems with your LG UltraGear monitor? You're not alone. Many users face issues like no audio output or the monitor failing to detect headphones. These problems can stem from various causes, including hardware issues, software glitches, driver problems, and even dust or debris. Start with the basics. Unplug and replug your headphones into the LG UltraGear monitor's headphone jack. Check your Windows sound settings to ensure the LG UltraGear monitor is selected as the default audio output device. Make sure no HDMI audio override is occurring by checking the monitor's input settings. Clean the headphone jack with compressed air or a cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to remove dust or debris. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a common culprit behind headphone jack issues on LG UltraGear monitors. Visit the LG website and download the latest drivers for your specific UltraGear monitor model using the LG Monitor software suite. Use the LG Monitor software suite to install the drivers. If the problem started after a recent driver update, consider rolling back to a previous version. In Device Manager, access the Driver tab and select Rollback Driver. A Reddit user with an LG 27GN950 resolved a similar issue by rolling back to driver version 4.8.1 from June 2025. Access Windows sound settings by searching for Sound Settings in the Windows search bar. Navigate to the Playback tab in Sound Settings. Right-click on your LG UltraGear monitor from the list of audio devices. From the context menu, select Properties to open the device settings. In the Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Enable exclusive mode by checking both available boxes. This prevents other applications from interfering with audio output. Finally, ensure that the LG UltraGear monitor's audio output is set as the default device and prioritized over other audio devices in the Playback tab. LG releases firmware updates that address audio issues. Use the LG Monitor software suite to check for and install any available updates for your monitor. As of Q3 2025, firmware version 05.02.00 addressed some jack detection bugs. These updates improve the monitor's onboard audio processor's ability to properly detect headphones. The flow diagram shows how firmware updates are managed through LG's system. A faulty HDMI handshake can sometimes override the headphone jack, preventing audio from routing properly through the jack. If you're using HDMI, try connecting to a different port on the monitor or switch to a DisplayPort connection, as this can bypass handshake issues. Some LG monitors allow you to set input priority in the OSD menu. Access the on-screen display using the monitor buttons, then ensure the headphone jack is prioritized over HDMI audio. For example, a 32UL950 owner experienced similar issues due to HDMI override, but fixed it with an LG firmware patch that prioritized jack detection. Check for monitor updates through the LG software suite. In severe cases, the issue might be hardware-related. The headphone jack problem can stem from faulty connections in the monitor's audio circuitry. A YouTube tutorial by Hardware Haven demonstrated disassembling the monitor to reseat the audio board, which can fix detection issues in some cases. However, this will void your warranty. Proceed with extreme caution or consult a professional repair service. This is a last resort if all other software fixes fail. The 3.5mm headphone jack is becoming less common as technology advances. Newer LG UltraGear models are increasingly prioritizing USB-C and wireless audio through Bluetooth for better integration. For more reliable audio, consider using USB-C headphones or a Bluetooth adapter instead of the traditional jack. LG is developing adaptive jack detection technology using machine learning to prevent future failures. Looking ahead, LG expects full wireless audio adoption by 2027, phasing out traditional jacks.